Viva! 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 Miguna viva! Viva!
How are you, my friend? I'm very happy. Yes. Shadi. Just a minute. I don't know what you're doing. Please, just order.
Let's move.
David.
Not yet. First of all, not yet.
You're going to proceed.
So, can you give me just a minute? Yes, sir. First of all, I am very, very, very grateful for the warm welcome you have given me. And I'm extremely happy to be back home. I extend my gratitude to all Kenyans who have stood with me, who have stood with the Bill of Rights in the Constitution, who have stood with the cause of justice, who have stood with the dictates of democracy, who have stood with the principles of the rule of law. I would like to extend my gratitude to the judiciary that stood firm on the side of the rule of law. I must extend my gratitude to Kenyans that voted overwhelmingly for the Kenya Kwanza government, because that is central for me. Without this administration, I would not be back home. So I am thanking His Excellency the President, the Deputy President and his administration, and everybody else who has worked tirelessly to make sure that my rights are protected and the rights of every other Kenyan. What has happened to me should never have happened to anyone else. A Kenyan-born citizen cannot be discarded, removed forcefully from the country, and banished in a foreign land. All right? There are more that I will say in the coming days and hopefully in the coming weeks and months. But for now, I just want to say how grateful I am. The media fraternity, you are here in large numbers. I thank you for being here. I don't take it for granted. And let's hope that we engage in the coming days. Thank you very much.
Viva! Viva! What do you expect? Are you going to take to seek legal redress on this matter?
The legal redress was already sought, and I already have a lot of court orders. And of course, justice, without justice, you cannot have peace and reconciliation. So we must have at the cornerstone of everything justice. So all those court orders that were accumulating and everybody was peeing on, they will be enforced. And there are many, many more other court orders to come. So no, these guys who behaved with impunity, the goons that were holding state at ransom, will be held to account.
And Miguna, will you take a position from the government if granted?
That is an irrelevant question at this time. I have given my statement. It ends there. I will answer other questions at the right time. Thank you very much. And this is the end. No more questions. Yes. Thank you very much.
Most welcome, General. Most welcome, sir. Good. Imesha nini? Hiyo bado imesha. Kama function. Ndio ndio wamemaliza tu. Imeisha. Twende.